Hello everyone, I am Asmita and presently working as a public relations head for a service provider company. I'm a 2005 and 6 passed out from Isomes. I'm really excited to mention that Isomes was the best choice ever I have made. Because I think when you are choosing your professional school, your future career, it really becomes complicated and crucial to take the decision. But today I really feel blessed that I have chosen the best for me because the faculties at ISOMS were really committed and they have always extended their full support towards our growth, to every student's growth. uh, and today whatever position I am and had a continuous growth in my career, it is because of the key mantras of my mentors. I'm really grateful towards my gurus, my mentors, and I wish all of you a very bright future and a great success in life. Thank you so much.